Hello would-be librarians, welcome back to my channel. This is my third video on UGC NET June 2025 Library Science paper where we are discussing the questions in detail. Today we are going to take a close look at question number 11 to 15 along with their detailed explanations. So let's begin. Question number 11 is a characteristic in which information tends to leak and the more it leaks, the more we have is. The correct answer is diffusive characteristics. Information has many unique characteristics. Let's go through each. Diffusive. This means information tends to leak and spread. The more it spreads, the more people possess it. For example, when a piece of news goes viral on social media, it becomes stronger by diffusion. Compressible. Information can be summarized or reduced without losing its meaning. For example, a 200-page report can be compressed into a 2-page executive summary, or a dataset can be represented as a single graph. One more characteristic is shareable. When we share physical things like a flower or a car, we lose ownership once given. But with information, sharing does not reduce possession. If I share an idea with you, we both have it. That's why information is inherently non-rivalrous. One more unique characteristic of information is synergetic. The value of information increases when shared. The more people use and build upon it, the more powerful it becomes. For example, a research paper cited by many scholars gains greater impact and creates more knowledge. Among all these, the specific characteristics that fits the question tends to leak, and the more it leaks, the more we have is diffusive. Next question is, which section of AACR 2 revised deals with serial publications? The correct answer is Part A, Section 12. Revised Anglo-American Cataloging Rules consists of two parts. Part 1 covers rules for standard description of all kinds of materials. It contains 13 chapters. The rules for specific types of materials are given in chapters 2 to 12, while chapter 13 provides rules for analytical entries. There are no chapters in between 13 to 21. And part 2 deals with headings, uniform titles, and references. These rules are applicable to all types of library materials irrespective of their medium. There are 6 chapters in this part, beginning with chapter number 21. So serials are specifically dealt with in chapter 12 of part A, and this chapter provides cataloging rules for periodicals like journals, magazines, and newspapers. Question number 13 is, which Z39.50 protocol component ensures the searching and retrieval of bibliographic records? The correct answer is BIB1 attribute set. BIB1 attribute set is a part of Z39.50 protocol. It defines search attributes like author, title, or subject, which are used to query bibliographic records in remote databases. While basic encoding rules are the encoding rules that define how protocol messages are structured for transmission, but they don't handle searching. Mark 21 format is a bibliographic metadata format. It is a standard for description of items catalogued by libraries. It is not a protocol for searching and retrieving like Z39.50. And Perl, Persistent Uniform Resource Locator, it provides persistent and unchanging URLs for web resources, ensuring links don't break even if resource moves. There is no direct relationship between Perl and Z39.50. Next question is, what is the primary objective of the Modern MARC initiative by the Library of Congress? The correct answer is option number 2, to integrate RDA-driven changes and enable modeling linked data. The Modern MARC initiative aims to update MARC so it can incorporate RDA, Resource Description and Access Rules. Along with that, it allows MARC to support linked data, making library data more interoperable and useful on the web. Question number 15 is, in an organization where a local network uses a non-TCP/IP protocol, what is the primary function of a gateway in interfacing with a TCP/IP network? The correct answer is option number 2, to act as an interface between both the protocols. A gateway is a protocol converter. It acts like an interpreter between two different types of networks. For example, if one using TCP/IP and another using a different protocol, then without the gateway, the two networks cannot communicate. So, gateways play an important role in converting protocols supported by traffic on different networks. It works as the entry-exit point for a network because all traffic that passes across the networks must pass through the gateway. It monitors and controls all the incoming and outgoing network traffic. So friends, I hope this detailed discussion helps you in your preparation. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon so you never miss an update. Very soon I will upload the next video with more solved questions. Till then, take care and keep studying. Bye bye.